Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who haven't been here before, hi, I'm Lori Hill, and on Lori Beauty, we talk about non-surgical ways to stay beautiful. Everything from makeup to skincare to lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your lips look bigger using these 3 products, and really, you just need 2 of them. I often get asked, have I had lip filler? And the answer is kind of. I had lip filler a few years ago, but I haven't had any in the last 2 years. Now, I may be getting it in the future, possibly, only to replace the volume I've lost as I've aged, but not really to make my lips bigger because I prefer to sometimes have my lips look smaller depending on the type of eye makeup I'm using. And then sometimes when I really want to accent my lips, I do prefer to make them bigger on my own. Now this technique, I believe, mimics about 0.5 cc's of lip filler. Now I mostly focus on my upper lip, but you can do the same technique to your lower lip if you want a real pouty and sultry look. It's actually super simple and it's not expensive, and I'm super excited to share this with you. Let's get started. Oh, and I will be linking out everything I use down below in the description box, so make sure to check out those links. They are affiliate links, and when you use them, it helps my channel. What I like to do first is put on a little bit of lip balm. I'm using the Laneige Berry lip balm, and you can use any lip balm that you have. I do like this one, but it doesn't have to be this one. Okay, the first product, and perhaps the most important product, is this 24/7 lip liner by Urban Decay. This you cannot swap out for anything else, and is probably going to be the product that you would need to buy if you want to do this technique. I've never found a lip liner substitute for this lip liner, so unfortunately there are no alternatives to it. Now I use the color Liar, but depending on your skin tone, you can use any liner in their lip liner 24/7 collection, just as long as it's the 24/7 liner. Now again, I'm going to link below what I use. Now before you get started, wipe off the excess lip balm that has gotten on your cupid's bow and also on the outline of your bottom lip. You just use your finger, go ahead and wipe it off. Make sure that that is dry. It's very important. And then you're going to just go in and outline your lip just outside of your lip border. And again, we just went a little bit outside the lip border, and the consistency and the thickness of this liner is what gives you that filler effect. And all I'm doing now is shaping the lip. And you can even look at yourself, look down at the mirror to get a better view of where you want your lip fuller. You're going to want to go over it twice at least, more if you'd like. You don't want to do too much because you don't want it to look too thick. Now, once you're done with that step, you're going to apply your lipstick. I use the Hot Lips 2 by Charlotte Tilbury, and the color is JK Magic. But you can use any neutral lip color, neutral to your skin tone or lip tone. For reference, there you go. The last step, and this is optional, but I also add a second lipstick, and this one's a liquid lipstick, and it's by Dose of Colors called Lazy Daisy, and I just lay it on top. Now you don't have to do this step, it is optional. Then you just want to paint a little into the line of the lip liner. Paint and pat. And there you have it. You have plump lips without having to commit to the pain and expense of filler. And you can also decide when you want the plump lips or you don't. I hope you've enjoyed this lip filler alternative video. Leave your comments and suggestions down below. It's super appreciated. And please go watch my other videos coming up here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.